We need a political ombudsman. Stakeholders amplify calls amidst billboard damage for potential candidates in local government elections. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, run a clean campaign. What Justice Minister has to say to councillor designates. And fire destroys a section of museum in Spanish Town. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the details after the break.